Well, finally working on some more fans, and what I have here is a 10-inch Diehl fan from probably the early 1950s. I actually found this in the trash several years ago, and it worked perfectly even when I first plugged it in, so I don't know why they threw it out. Only thing I can think of is that it's missing a screw for the cage right there, and I haven't been able to find a good replacement. But only other thing wrong with it is it's not in the best shape cosmetically. The cage is pretty rusty, although the badge is in really good shape. It was made in Findern, New Jersey. And also the back bullet, the paint is really badly flaking off of it, but it still works, and it still has the original cord. Pretty cool looking plug. So anyway, I will turn it on now. Hang on. Okay, here it is on. It's just one speed. It's pretty powerful. Let me turn the oscillator on. I did just put some oil in it, so the spending on time could be better. But yeah, there's my 10-inch Diehl fan that I found in the trash. Thanks for watching.